strategy needs to be used in the right phase of the market. So you need to determine, is the market trending or not? Welcome back, everybody, to Full Stack Forex. You already know what it is. If you don't, you better ask somebody. Guys, let's get right into it. Today, we're trading the CNBC 330 strategy, and let's see what's happening. We're on our CNBC app. As you can see, it's 33 minutes past 3, and it is one of our high volatility days, Wednesday, so just need to get cracking. So far we got Apple, that's red. We've got Microsoft red, Amazon red. So ideally we should be going down, but this week is an interesting week because the market is in a sort of bullish setup. So we were already in a buy trade. I might just close this trade and re-enter. Let me go check my M15 and show you guys. I know, but it's tricky these days. But I'll show you. I'll explain. Let's go to, remember, my broker's ahead by 1 hour. So if you see 4 o'clock, it's actually 3 o'clock. Look at that. We had a bullish candle at 3:15, and then we had another bullish open here. So this tells me the market is set up to go up, guys. We're in a, it's very interesting, right? So this setup, look at this. This is almost the head and shoulders. Here's the head, here's one shoulder, and here's another shoulder building up. And even if I go here, look here, the price is low, then it went lower and then higher. So here on the RSI, look, if I, let's say, take that low, look here, we're low, and instead of going low, it went higher, and instead of going, okay, this was fine, but here we had divergence, right, where the market is going down but our RSI is going up. So remember, the RSI indicates volume. So what is volume? It's the number of buyers or sellers in the market at the current moment, right? So the RSI basically tells us how many buyers are in the market right now. So right now, our RSI, let's just say, for example, if I read over here, just see where I'm pressing, there, on that side, the RSI is on 50, right? Let's just say 50%. So it means 50% of the market is buying right now. The other 50% is selling. If the RSI is on 80, it means 80% of the market is buying. 20% is selling. So right now it's 50-50. I'll explain RSI a bit. I think I need to go into a bit more detail with that one. But for now, we know that it's at around 50%. So 50% of the people are buying. Now the other 50 are selling. But right now the market, it's set up to go bullish, to go up. Even on the daily charts, the daily chart, we have a red candle right now. We have a bearish candle. So that means whatever bullish movement we see for now is going to be what do you call it? It's going to be a retracement, and then we're going to go down, and then we should continue back up. According to our 4-hour charts, we're still going to see some bullish movements for this week. So yeah, I think, okay, let's see what does it say. But right now it shows that when they opened the markets, they were taking us down, taking the markets down. So let's just keep refreshing. Let's get back in it. As you can see, it's still bullish, still going up. So I think right now, remember so the market, I believe, has changed into a different, moved into a different phase. So remember, I always tell you guys that the financial markets are dynamic, not static. So dynamic means they're always shifting into different phases and different cycles. So you could be trending, then you go sideways, or you could be trending up, then you go sideways, then you're trending down, or so those are pretty much the 3 phases. So right now we've changed phases. So in the previous phase, we were more trending. We had a bit of a downtrend uh, over the previous months, or let's just say we had a trend over the previous months. So we were easily able to trade trend lines, flag patterns, things like that. So now we've shifted into somewhat of a different phase in the market, where now we're going to start seeing more patterns. You're going to see head and shoulders, you're going to see double tops, you're going to see triple tops, things like that. So here you could see it clearly, but this was at the end of this bullish. You see we had a bullish phase, and then at the end, then we start seeing double tops and things like that, heads and shoulders. So now seemingly we're heading towards maybe the end of the downward trend, maybe trying to change to the upward trend. I'm not sure, but I know the stock market was crashing. Hence, we had a bit of a change in the phase. So now we'll see. So now you'll notice, as because maybe the phase is changing, the phase that the market is moving into is changing, maybe from trending one direction to maybe going sideways, or trending towards another direction. You'll notice sometimes um things like this will happen. Now, where look, this my CNBC app, we're pretty much all red. We're all red. So the market should be moving down. They should be taking us down. Yet it's going up. Why? Because the market structure is structured in a bullish way. So you always have to pay attention to little things. You can't be like a robot and you just trade the same strategy no matter what. You have to also be a little bit dynamic and adapt to the changes now. So meaning, as we trade, we're still gonna pay attention to this. So you see, had we had more of a bearish setup, plus our CNBC app telling us the market is going to move downwards, then we know we'd enter. It would be a strong sell signal for us. But now what we're seeing, the sentiment right now is negative, but the market ultimately wants to go up. It wants to go up. So we'll just pay attention. We'll pay attention. You have to pay attention, and we'll see where this market takes us. So you can see yesterday we almost hit our target. I think we set our target somewhere around here. We almost hit our target. It just turned around like right before getting there. It got into the same zone but didn't touch the exact resistance level. So we'll see. Maybe today we'll go all the way up. We'll just have to pay attention, because it's also tricky, because here we have a low, then we have a high, then we have a lower low, and then what do we have here? We have a lower high. So do you see the market is kind of moving sideways? This is more, we're moving into a sideways trend where the market is not really trending nicely. And the CNBC app strategy, what I'm noticing now is it works best in a trending market, a proper trending market. See, like days like here, see this type of movement. That's a trending market, nicely trending there. So this is where the CNBC app strategy would thrive during that time. So right now we're moving into a sideways market. So the CNBC strategy, it's starting to dry up. I don't know if you've been watching the videos from the beginning. You saw we were milking in the beginning. We just had yes, we had our off days here and there, but otherwise we were milking it. Then now there's been a phase change, right? There's been a bit of a phase change. I don't know if it's because the stock market was crashing, everything was going down, all of that. So I don't know if it's because of that, but we're going through a bit of a phase change. So as the phase is changing, you can see that this CNBC strategy is also starting to slow down. Doesn't mean the strategy doesn't work. It means the strategy needs to be used in the right phase of the market. So you need to determine, is the market trending or not? When the market is trending properly, nicely, good movements, and you'll know. Oh, look, there's my space. So let me just end the video, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I will be back with another video, guys. You already know what it is. Full Stack Forex signing out.